Are you looking for the best budget 3D printer Reddit? In this video we will look at some of the best budget 3D printer Reddit on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3-dimensional printer opens a new world for creators who seek satisfaction in turning imagination into reality. Each printing session feels like a journey, where ideas gradually rise into tangible forms, building a quiet sense of pride and emotional fulfillment. Watching a design come to life evokes a deep connection between the creator and the work, making every project feel personal and meaningful. The process is smooth and reliable, allowing users to focus fully on creativity without stress or distraction. Time spent printing becomes an enjoyable experience, where patience and attention transform into visible results. The steady rhythm of production encourages confidence and supports long sessions, making even complex projects feel achievable and inspiring. Each completed print strengthens trust in personal skill and motivates the exploration of new ideas. Precision adds another layer of satisfaction. Finished objects appear clean, intentional, and carefully crafted, reflecting the care invested into their creation. Seeing a concept realized exactly as imagined brings joy and pride, fueling curiosity and encouraging experimentation. Every successful model becomes a testament to capability, imagination, and dedication. Momentum keeps creativity alive. Projects advance efficiently, making progress visible and ideas feel closer to reality. This sense of forward movement inspires motivation and prevents frustration, keeping energy high from start to finish. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3-dimensional printer is more than a machine, it is a companion in creative exploration. It nurtures focus, expression, and personal growth, transforming imagination into meaningful results. Each completed object carries emotion, effort, and achievement, leaving users inspired, accomplished, and deeply connected to their creativity. Number 2. Sovol SV06 Plus 3D Printer. Sovol SV06 Plus 3-dimensional printer speaks to people who dream about shaping thoughts into something they can hold. Creative energy often waits for the right moment, and this experience gives that feeling a safe place to grow. Working with ideas becomes peaceful, almost personal, because every step feels steady and controlled. Imagination finds space to breathe during each session. Focus increases while stress slowly fades, helping makers enjoy time spent creating instead of rushing toward results. That emotional comfort matters, especially for artists, students, and builders who want progress without pressure. Confidence rises naturally as projects move forward with clarity and purpose. Seeing concepts transform into physical form brings quiet joy. Pride builds when effort turns into something meaningful, encouraging deeper connection with creativity. This journey supports patience, helping users trust their process and believe in their ability to learn. Small successes feel rewarding, making motivation last longer. The environment feels calm and respectful. Noise does not interrupt thought, allowing attention to stay on design and detail. That calm supports concentration and helps reduce creative fatigue. Time passes smoothly, keeping excitement alive without exhaustion. Sovol SV06 Plus 3-dimensional printer becomes part of a creative routine rather than a complicated tool. It blends into daily life, supporting personal growth and expression. Every finished piece carries emotion, effort, and satisfaction. This connection inspires continued exploration, helping creators feel capable, inspired, and ready to turn imagination into lasting reality. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 KE 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3v3 KE 3-dimensional printer connects deeply with makers who want progress without frustration. Creative minds often feel blocked when tools slow inspiration. This experience restores excitement by allowing ideas to move forward smoothly, helping imagination stay alive. Each session feels rewarding because effort turns into visible form quickly, building emotional attachment with every finished piece. Creative freedom grows when worry fades. Calm workflow supports focus, helping thoughts remain clear while designs take shape naturally. Confidence rises as consistency appears, encouraging exploration beyond comfort zones. Personal projects feel meaningful, not overwhelming, because the process respects time and patience. Speed measured at 250 mm per second reduces waiting, keeping motivation strong. Momentum matters in creative journeys, and steady rhythm protects passion from fading. When results arrive sooner, pride develops faster, strengthening belief in personal capability. Automatic balance creates peace. Hands feel relaxed, mind stays centered, and attention shifts toward expression instead of correction. Quiet motion adds comfort, allowing work during any moment without distraction. This harmony transforms creation into an enjoyable habit rather than a demanding task. Creality Under 3v3 three-dimensional printer fits creators seeking growth, satisfaction, and emotional fulfillment. Choosing this path means trusting creativity, valuing time, and investing in personal development. Ownership becomes a statement of belief, turning imagination into something real with confidence and joy. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 3 3D Printer. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo AE version multicolor fused deposition modeling 3-dimensional printer creates a powerful feeling of turning imagination into something real. It speaks to people who enjoy building, shaping, and expressing ideas with their hands and mind together. Every print begins quietly, then slowly grows, bringing excitement and satisfaction as vision becomes physical form. That moment of watching creation rise feels deeply rewarding and meaningful. This printer supports a smooth creative rhythm. The working experience feels calm and focused, helping users stay connected with their ideas without distraction. Time feels respected, allowing creativity to move forward naturally. Each session builds confidence, especially for those who enjoy learning through making. Progress feels visible, encouraging curiosity and continuous improvement. Color brings emotion into every object. Creations feel expressive and personal, carrying character and mood that simple designs often lack. Watching different tones appear during printing creates anticipation and pride. Finished pieces feel unique, reflecting effort and imagination in a way that feels deeply satisfying. The large build space invites bigger thinking. Users feel free to explore useful designs, artistic models, or thoughtful projects without limitation. Creativity feels open and supported, helping skills grow with every attempt. Each completed result feels like an achievement worth sharing. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo AE version multicolor fused deposition modeling 3-dimensional printer becomes part of a creative lifestyle. It encourages exploration, builds confidence, and brings joy through making. This machine is not only about printing objects. It is about self-expression, growth, and the happiness that comes from creating something real with purpose and pride. Number 5. Anycubic Kobra S1 3D Printer. Anycubic Kobra S1 Speedy 3-dimensional printer creates a space where creativity feels calm, focused, and rewarding. It speaks to makers who enjoy quiet progress and the joy of seeing ideas become real objects. Each printing moment feels steady and reassuring, allowing imagination to grow without pressure. Watching a design rise slowly brings a deep sense of pride and emotional satisfaction that stays long after the work is finished. The overall experience feels smooth and balanced, helping creative minds stay relaxed and confident. There is a natural flow that supports long working sessions without mental strain. Time spent creating feels peaceful, turning personal projects into moments of enjoyment rather than effort. This gentle rhythm encourages consistency, helping creativity become part of daily life. Accuracy gives strong emotional value to every result. Finished pieces look refined and intentional, reflecting care and patience. That clean outcome builds confidence and motivates further exploration. Each success makes new ideas feel possible, helping users trust their skills and creative instincts more deeply. Fast progress keeps inspiration active. Waiting feels shorter, ideas feel closer, and motivation stays strong throughout the process. This sense of momentum prevents frustration and supports creative energy from start to finish. Projects feel exciting instead of overwhelming, allowing passion to remain steady. Anycubic Kobra S1 Speedy 3-dimensional printer becomes a supportive presence in the creative journey. It respects focus, encourages expression, and supports personal growth. More than equipment, it feels like a quiet partner that values imagination and effort. Every completed creation carries meaning and achievement, leaving users feeling capable, inspired, and emotionally connected to what they build with their own hands.